Hello, it's wash day, and I've been wanting to try this conditioner for a while. It's Macadamia natural oil deep repair Masque. I got this on a special at TJ Maxx for $9.99. The big container of this, I believe it's like 8 ounces, is $30. And it could be 30, 32, somewhere in there. And this size runs for about $16. I have been checking it on different outlets because I always want to get stuff at the best price. And I'm not sure how it's going to respond to my hair. Some people like it, some people don't like it. Some people say it's too thick. Some people say it may weigh your hair down. But it's wintertime here in Georgia, and I need something for extra moisture. I wasn't feeling good a day or two, and my wash day has surpassed. And so this is a perfect time to try this because I need something really thick, give my strands some nice moisture. And so, just watch the video and see how my hair responds to this Macadamia natural oil deep repair mask. And you decide. Okay. I've co-washed my hair. And now I'm going to divide it in 4 sections. And then I'm going to apply the conditioner to each section. Just makes it easier for me to make sure it gets to every part of my hair. And my hair has been very dry because I've been out in the rain and all of the weather elements here in Georgia. So let's get started. Now it comes in a jar, that $30 size that I was telling you about. And this one is a tube. Tubes tend to not be that fun to use for hair products. But I didn't want to spend the $30 to see if this worked for my hair or not. So here we go. Smells good. It feels rich and creamy. Yeah, it feels rich and creamy. Doesn't feel thick. It feels creamy. It feels like butter. It feels like some soft spread. Let's check this out. Smells perfumey too. Smells nice. But I don't know if some people smells bother them. And this smell might be a little bit too perfumey for someone else. Stinky smells bother me. But if it smells good, it doesn't bother me. It smells good, but it smells very perfumey. I've felt smoother things on my hair than this. But let me continue. We'll see. Well, this product doesn't feel real good on my hair. I just tried, I just tried the hydrating macadamia oil conditioner. I just tried this last hair wash. And I don't know the outcome yet, but this went on so beautifully. Like, where have you been all my life? Working this one through my hair has been tough. It's tough. My hair feels so stiff. And I'm just, I'm taking my hair and just as I always do, I mean, this feels, you know, soft, buttery, almost creamy to the touch. And, you know, maybe once I get on the dryer, this will feel better. I had planned on sleeping overnight with this in my hair. I'm not sure, because I know my hair has been dry. It's been raining every day this week in Georgia. And I have been in the rain and the mist and the drizzle with my hair uncovered. And with a twist out, you can kind of just twist it and keep going. But at some point, my hair was just so frizzy and dry. It's like, please wash me. But it's like I can always smooth my hair out with a really nice slip conditioner. This just doesn't, even though it seems like this would have a lot of slip with it, doesn't have a lot of slip. But, you know, hey, just because it doesn't have a lot of slip, this is a $30 deep conditioner mask. And I just hope it does what it's supposed to do. And what's that? Revitalize hair reconstructor for dry damaged hair. Tells you all this it has. Hair's natural texture is instantly renewed with healthy shine, bounce, and manageability. Macadamia lets you love who you are, stand in your truth, and indulge in the luxury of being yourself. Does all that. And it's a hair reconstruction that penetrates and rebuilds stretch damaged hair for improved health, shine, and elasticity with no way down. It leaves weak and damaged hair. Silky conditioner full of movement and balance is ideal for dry, damaged, or color-treated hair of all textures. And it says liberally comb through clean, wet hair and allow up to 7 minutes of penetration. And I can pretty much tell I wouldn't be able to comb this through my hair because I could barely work it with my hands. And so that kind of doesn't matter as long as I like conditioners that have a lot of slip. Like it's hard to even pull this apart because my hair feels really tangled. I like a lot of slip because with a lot of slip, it kind of instantly gets some of those tangles out. The way I do my hair, once I style it, I still have to comb it at some point for styling purposes. And that tangle, those tangles when it's time to style it can really be a booger. So right now, it doesn't have a ton of slip. In fact, it doesn't have any slip. But I hope once I get up under the dryer or I sleep with this, I'm going to decide how long I'm going to keep this in my hair. And I'll come back and let you know. And let you know how this turns out. The reason it was important that I use this week, because like I said, my hair has been dry. And it's supposed to be perfect for these situations. I've almost used a whole container. I'm like that. I'm very generous when it comes to my conditioners. And I need this treatment for my hair. I've been wanting to try this product out. But at $30, I'm glad to try it out for $9.99. We come back. And you decide. Okay. I've had this on for 6 hours. And I had this extra cap just because I laid down with it. And so no air would seep out. Oh, wow. Does feel moisturized. Just like I've been under the dryer. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to rinse this out and see how it feels and see how it feels when I style it. Okay, I've washed it out. As I was washing it out, I was thinking, my hair doesn't feel all that. But actually, since I've washed it out, it feels nice. It actually feels nice. And so, I'm going to style my hair. Like I said, didn't have amazing slip. But I can tell a difference in my hair. I would use this again, but I definitely just wouldn't pay full price for this. See all my texture, and I can feel all my texture. And it feels thick, but it feels, I don't know if the word is moisturized. Just feels nice and healthy. Feel nice and healthy. So I would use this again, but at a discount price. And I had already been researching this online, this product online, and I saw the various discount prices. I wouldn't pay full price for it, but I would use it again. You decide. Okay, well, one of the dryer and see how my hair feels once it comes out. All dry. Okay, let me take the rollers out. Got a whiff of that smell. It smells good. It smells real perfumey when it's going on. But it smells really, really, really nice and nice smell. I don't know how someone would like that though who didn't really like a lot of smells, but I love it. And it looks like, I mean, the curls look good. The curls look good. So when I think about this, this is a conditioner. I just can breathe it in. This is a conditioner I would use once a month if I kept it in my rotation. if I felt it was worth the purchase. And, you know, so I wanted to get it at TJ Maxx and found it at TJ Maxx. Well, I don't know, probably Marshall's might have it too. But I probably wouldn't want to pay $30 for it. But if I use this once a month or twice a month and saw a substantial difference, I would have to see. Because my hair was extremely dry. And it was very tangly. I'm using tighter rollers than I usually use. I still use these, I just don't use these as often. It just takes. To me, my curls stay a little longer with these tighter rollers. I want to stick to my lips. So you decide. I would definitely use this again. I hope the lighting is not too. It's really picking it up. But it's nice. It's nice. I would use it once a month. I would use it once a month when my hair is driest. My hair is 4 weeks post relaxer. And it's a nice, beautiful, sunny day. I want to get out in it today. But this past entire week has been raining, drizzling, you name it. My hair's been fuzzy. I've retwisted my hair. I've oiled my hair. I put even a conditioner in my hair one day and put twists just to try to bring my hair back alive and moisturize, but that didn't help. But it looks nice and moisturized. I mean, you decide. Trying to make sure it picks up on camera. It's nice and moisturized. And with this conditioner, it didn't give me slip, and I really love to have slip. But it didn't promise me slip. It promised to, repair my hair. It's a reconstructor. And it penetrates and builds stretched, damaged hair for improved health, shine, and elasticity. And so it's ideal for dry hair, damaged hair. And my hair was very dry. And I would use this again on special. And I know I could get it on special. Even if I couldn't get this in a TJ Maxx or a Marshalls or something like that, I can always order online. I don't mind ordering online. I just like to order online at really great prices. And so I have been looking into ordering this online. And I had saved it. I had saved it as a, It's a wish list. I had saved it as a wish list online. And I still hadn't purchased it yet. And I happened to go into TJ Maxx with my mom. And I saw it for $9.99. I'm like, oh, I've been wanting to try this. Like, oh, perfect. So, you decide. You decide if you need something for your hair and it's dry and it's ideal. You have Perm. You have Texlax hair. Got a relaxer. I will, next time I get one, because this is still something in here. It's probably... It may be something like right in here. I would like to try this out on my daughter. Because when I originally wanted this, I wanted to try this on me and my daughter. To kind of get our hair where we wanted it. Like, I had a dream that I could change my texture. That was funny. But I could change my texture in the back if I use this. And that's not true. That's not how it goes. And my daughter's hair, I haven't grown it back. And so I had wanted to get this for her, which her hair is doing lovely. Praise the Lord. So I'm still going to try it on her. And at $9.99, it will be excellent. Next time I see that, I get that for her as well. And it's something I could do for her once a month as well. But this is my hair. That sounds like a good idea. What you doing, Mama? Oh, no. I guess I've been trying to get ready for feeling better for when Nayla was coming. I forgot all about it.
Yes, Minnie. I miss her too.
You miss Nayla? What do you think she's doing? Take a guess.
What did you say, Mommy?
Is that what you think she's doing?
I'm not sure.
You think she's playing with her doll?
Yeah. If she's not at school.
Nope, she's not at school today. It's Sunday.
So she is playing with her doll.
That's what it seems like. Is MJ okay in there? It smells so good. MJ, you okay? What was that loud noise? You almost knocked that up? Oh, for paper towels? Okay. You smell?
That.
You smell? Okay, smell my hair. She smells it all the way from in the room. That is so funny. The whole time I was doing. Hold on, sweetie. The whole time I was doing my conditioner, she was like, "Mommy, what's that smell? Mommy, what's that smell? Mommy, that smell tastes good." That was so funny to me. That smell tastes good.
I said it's more than like.
Okay, Mommy coming.